everyone, I'm Jen.
And I'm Joe.
And we're Jen and Joe
on the go. So, Jen, the next phase of our trip, what are we doing now?
Joe, we just got to Old Key West Resort. Our room is ready. We are in building 28, room 2826.
So we just arrived, so we're gonna check everything out. You already stepped inside. I really
did.
haven't seen too much of the room, but
it is super cute.
And we've never stayed here before, so this is a new one for us.
Yes.
So let's go.
Okay,
shall we?
I'm so excited.
Here's our room number, 2826. All right, are you ready, Jennifer?
I am.
Here we go. Is it working?
Hold on.
Uh-oh. Oh,
There we
it's
go.
working. Whew, thank goodness for that. So here's the room as we first enter.
So this is just a studio.
Now this is a vacation.
It's a preferred room.
Preferred room?
And it's a DVC resort.
Yeah, so this is...
Oh, look at our view. Our little porch. Oh, this is really pretty.
This is cute.
This is super cute.
So this is a 2-floor building. Right,
Yes.
there's some you can see in the distance there. There are 3 floors. This one just has 2?
Yes. This is super, super cute.
All right, so...
So, looks like we're on a fairway.
Looks like it.
Yeah, that would be my guess.
So here's the room itself. So let's see.
So
How
2
about-
queen beds.
Yep. So now they're the raised platform beds, but there's still carpeting in here, so they have not...
But you know what? It doesn't feel gross. It feels pretty clean.
Does it?
Yeah, it does. To me, it does.
I still prefer them changing things out and getting rid of the
So
carpeting.
we did not get a refurb room then.
Are the refurb rooms
Hardwood.
hardwood?
Yeah, I believe so.
Were we supposed to?
I don't know.
No,
I don't
so
know
it
what they've refurbed. I don't think this is refurb because I think the refurb rooms got rid of the carpeting.
Yeah, well, we'll find
But
out.
I don't know.
We can ask to find out. But
So then
not that it
it's-
matters, because it does. I mean, it smells very clean in
Yeah.
here.
This is really, really cute.
And there's the TV up on the wall. I would think it's not refurb because aren't the refurbs all bigger TVs? But-
I think so.
I'm not sure where they would put a bigger TV in here just because the wall itself is not that big. So, okay, at any rate, here
Okay.
is a little
Cute
kitchenette.
little kitchen with
The fridge.
refrigerator, microwave, coffee maker. So
We've got
there's
some plastic utensils up on top. And, oh, there's a full coffee
there
pot.
is. And look how cute the bathroom is. Wow, this is really cute. Ooh, and it's got the it's got the H2O plus, the sea marine and sea salt.
All right, so just a regular tub with the shower curtain and the larger rainfall shower head. So that part's okay.
Yeah,
And
and
then
then
in here we have,
extra blanket and
Oh,
pillow,
okay, just a
iron and
closet.
ironing board, luggage rack, which
Yeah.
we can take out.
oh, and a little vacuum in
And a
case
little
you
vacuum.
get industrious and need to,
And you want to clean. I'm just going to take
I
this out
guess.
because we're going to need it.
yeah, true. Oh, there's a fire extinguisher there too in case you start cooking. I'm kidding.
Well,
And I'm assuming through this door is,
probably another guest room.
Another
You
room?
can't. I already opened it.
Oh.
It's like a wall.
okay.
So I'm impressed. This is super cute.
Yeah. Oh, and let's see the painting picture on the wall. Yeah, how cute is that?
This is very cute.
It's the only way. You know how they say, Jen, there's the Chicago way?
Yeah.
This here is the Florida way.
Yeah. This is just super cute.
Well, we have USB plugs here, as well as chargers. And let's see, lights above the beds. And then there's this one here. Lights above the beds. Kind of cool. Okay, well, this is not too bad.
No, it's
I have to
really
say.
cute. It's super clean.
And it does smell really, really good. So
Because that We were in St. Augustine last night for some family stuff, and we stayed at a Marriott, and it was gross.
I wouldn't say gross, but it wasn't Disney quality.
No,
it wasn't up to the Disney standards.
There were crumbs on the office chair, crumbs on the floor. There was like a chocolate stain. The carpeting felt skeevy.
That's why we didn't give you guys a room tour of that one.
We had planned on it,
Yeah.
But after walking in, we went, no.
And then we were going to do some stuff, but it was raining, so we said, forget it. So
Yeah.
anyway, we're back to Disney. And then there's this picture here. I'll try to get that light out of the way of the picture. It's kind of hard, it's glaring, but this one's kind of cute.
I love
Little
this.
Key West.
This is really
Little
cute.
Key West.
I like it a lot.
Okay, we're back. Why?
So really quick, I made a mistake. We're staying at a resort tomorrow that has refurbed rooms. Key West has not been refurbished to my knowledge.
Right. So, and we kind of figured...
My mistake.
Yeah, no, it's okay. But we kind of figured that looking at the room, it was not refurbished. But you don't think any of the rooms have been refurbished at this point?
No.
Which, that said, I mean, you can tell a difference with the refurbed rooms because they look a little more... I don't know, refurbished, I guess. I was trying to think of a better word. But so this here, if you look around, you could see, yeah, some of what you're looking at is dated, but it's still in really good condition, really clean.
Super clean.
Yeah, so it's just a matter of looking at a refurbed room, especially with the floors.
Yeah.
You could tell a difference. But this room is totally, perfectly okay, fine so far. The other thing I wanted to point out, we're on a second floor, and the way these buildings are set up, there is no elevator. So
we had to lug 4 big suitcases and all of our little crap up to the room. Just an FYI.
Yeah, we packed more this trip because of the way the weather is going to be up and down, or has been up and down. Some days warm, some days cold, so we had to bring extra clothes. So just keep that in mind if you're coming here. There's no elevator, at least not in this building that we're in.
Right.
So we could see if we could find out if there are elevators in certain buildings where you could perhaps request that when you make the reservation. So we'll find out and come back and let you know.
All right, bye guys.
So overall, good room.
I mean,
I like it.
I like it a lot, actually.
Yeah, and we've been here to the resort many times because we come to Olivia's a lot, but we really haven't gone too deep into the resort itself to show.
No, so I'm really excited about that.
Yes, we're going to drive around and we'll show some other things here as we get to it as we record to show some of the property, but. The room itself, really nice, right?
A+. I really, really like it.
I like the layout.
Now I'm sad we're only here for one night.
I know, but I like the layout, and I like how it is pretty spacious. It's just the way it's laid out is kind of nice. So
it's very well done.
Yeah. So all right, we have to get going. We need to get freshened up because we've been in the car for a little while.
Yes.
And for me, it's been almost 24 hours since we've had some alcohol. So we need to get down to the gurgling suitcase. That's what it's called, right? The gurgling suitcase.
We need to check that out.
All right. So.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell because you don't want to miss any of the next Jen and Joe on the go action, because if we're going down to the bar, you know what's going to be going on.
Heck yeah.
The Disney drinkers may come out.
They will.
They will.
Inevitably, that will happen. So.
All right.
Talk to you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.